Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are discussing about the analysis of fermentation products. First of all, what is meant by fermentation? Fermentation is an energy yielding anaerobic metabolic process in which organisms convert nutrients, typically carbohydrates, into alcohols and acids such as lactic acid and acetic acid. The most common known definition of fermentation is the conversion of sugars to alcohols using yeast under anaerobic conditions, as in the production of beer and wine, vinegar, and cider. Fermentation is among the oldest historical biotechnological process used by man to produce everyday food products. Types of alcoholic beverages: rum, gin, whiskey, brandy, beer, vodka, wine, toddy, and fenny, cashew and coconut, etc. Analysis of fermentation products like wine, beer, spirit, vinegar. For analysis of fermentation product wine, determine of tannins by using spectrophotometric method, reagents and instruments. First of all, the reagents. Preparation of fallen Dennin's reagent, prepared by adding 100 grams of sodium tungsten, 20 grams of phosphomylobic acid and 50 ml of phosphoric acid to 750 ml of water, and reflex for 2 hours and dilute to 1 liter. Preparation of sodium carbonate solution. Add 35 grams of anhydride sodium carbonate to 100 ml of water at about 80 degrees. Allow it to cool overnight and seed with few crystals of sodium carbonate filter. Preparation of standard tannic acid solution. Prepare fresh daily by dissolving 100 mg tannic acid in 1000 ml of water. 1 ml of equal to 0.1 mg of tannic acid. Spectrophotometer, double beam with a working wavelength range of 350 to 800 nanometers and bandwidth 5 nanometers. Preparation of standard curve. Pipette out 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 and 1.0 ml of standard tannic acid solution into 100 ml of volumetric flasks containing 75 ml of water. Add 5 ml of fallen Dennin's reagent and 10 ml of sodium carbonate solution. Make up to volume. Mix well, and after 30 minutes determine absorbance of each standard using reagent blank. Plot absorbance against concentration of tannic acid and use the graph for the determination of concentration of tannins in wine. Procedure. Pipette 1 ml of wine into a 100 ml volumetric flask containing about 80 ml of water. Add 5 ml of fallen Dennin's reagent and 10 ml of sodium carbonate solution. Make up to volume, mix well, and after 30 minutes against the reagent blank read the absorbance. If the absorbance is beyond 0.8, dilute the solution 1 to 4 times and read. Calculation. Obtain the mg of tannic acid using the standard curve and calculate the express the value in g/L of wine. Determination of extracts in wines. Evaporation method. Apparatus. Pipette 50 ml. Evaporating dishes, aluminum, flat bottom with lids, 75 ml capacity. Oven calibrated to maintain temperature of 100 plus or minus 20 degrees centigrade. Steam bath, desiccator, electronic balance, 0.1 mg sensitivity. Procedure for the determination of extracts in wine by evaporation method. Weigh dried and cooled aluminum dishes W1, mark as W1. Mix the wine sample well and draw 50 ml of sample dry wines or 25 ml sample sweet wines into the aluminum dish and evaporate on steam bath to almost dryness. Transfer the dishes to an air oven maintained at 100 degrees centigrade and dry for 4 to 5 hours. Remove the dishes and cool in a desiccator and weigh to constant weight W2. Calculate the extract in g/L of wine. Calculate extract g/L equal to W2 minus W1 into 1000 by volume of sample. Determination of sulfur dioxide for wines only. This method is used only for the wines. Modified Monner-Williams method. Apparatus RBF round bottom flask, 500 ml capacity, connected to carbon dioxide and nitrogen inlet source, coil condenser, receiver and trap. Reagents used: hydrogen peroxide solution, dilute a 30% of hydrogen peroxide solution with distilled water, 3% of hydrogen peroxide solution obtained. Sodium hydroxide 0.01 normality, bromophenol indicator solution, concentrated hydrochloride 1.16 carbon dioxide gas from a cylinder. Procedure: transfer 25 ml of hydrogen peroxide solution to a Erlenmeyer flask J and 5 ml to Peligot tube. Assemble the apparatus. Introduced into the flask C 300 ml of water and 200 ml of concentrated hydrochloric acid through the dropping funnel E. Run a steady current of cold water through the condenser F to expel air from the system. Boil the mixture contained in the flask C for a short time in a current of carbon dioxide gas previously passed through the wash bottle A. Weigh accurately about 25 grams of wine sample and transfer with little quantity of water into the flask C through the dropping funnel E. Wash the dropping funnel with a small quantity of water and run the washing into flask C. Distill by heating the mix contained in the flask C in a slow current of carbon dioxide gas passed previously through the wash bottle A for 1 hour. Just before the end of the distillation, stop the flow of water in the condenser. When the delivery tube H just above the Erlenmeyer flask J becomes hot to touch, disconnect the stopper G. Immediately wash the delivery tube H and the contents of the Peligot tube L with water into the Erlenmeyer flask J. Cool the contents of the Erlenmeyer flask to room temperature. Add a few drops of bromophenol blue indicator and titrate with standard sodium hydroxide solution. Bromophenol blue is used unaffected by carbon dioxide and gives a distinct color changes in cold hydrogen peroxide solution. The color changes from yellow to light blue carry out a blank determination using 20 ml of concentration hydrochloric acid diluted with 300 ml of water. The calculation is used as sulfur dioxide mg per kg equal to 32,000 V minus capital V minus small v into N by W. There are other analysis methods are also there. I will upload in next video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you.